In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make organic outline wall shelf. First of all, we have to make a wall shelf. First, we can set the dimension with any size as we want, and then we can push it up. Maybe it's just around 3 meter. Okay, and then we can adjust it. Okay, we can make it group, and so then we have to make the basic pattern with the line. So then we can start from anywhere we want. Anyway, we can just start from here, and then we can set the basic pattern as we want anyway. Okay, just something like this. Maybe we can explore it based on our creativity or our taste anyway. Maybe we can use this. Okay, this is about the basic pattern of the organic shape. We have to make the line first. So then we have to make the 2-point arc to make the smooth of every single corner over there. Then we can start from here. We can start from making it to be a curve connection, and we can set it with will to be smooth connection with 2-point arc. Then we can continue it. Maybe we can try to start from here to make more smooth, and we can continue it. Start from here. Okay, and then we can continue it. Maybe we can try just a little connection of the smooth. Anyway, we can then we can continue this position until it appear of magenta color over there. Okay, this is magenta color. Then we have to click because it indicate to us uh, that are appear the great connection of the smoothness of the every single corner everywhere. Okay, we can continue it. Then we can make a curvy of every single corner of there with a magenta indicator. Okay, then we can just click. Okay, so then we've got the organic self of the outline anyway, organic outline of the self anyway. So then we have to maybe we can just click all and we can duplicate it first. Okay, we can duplicate it to the forward or the on behind, and it's depend on us. And then we can just push it to the front around 20 millimeter for the backdrop. So then we can offset it. Maybe we can offset it outside just a little, something like this, and then we can erase some unnecessary line, and then we can move it to the front, just like this, and then we can push it to the front. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then we can make it group, and after that we can make the um, shelf. We can make the vertical shelf with the stripe character over there. We can make group, and then we can just click, and then we can move and duplicate it to the another position of just like this. It's just for example to make it more dynamic arrangement over there. We can make the longer in here, or maybe we can make the longer here, and many more anyway. Okay, then we can make the maybe we can just select this black wall to make it more highlighted. So then we can make the I'm sorry. Okay, we can make the another material of this organic shape anyway. Okay, we can explore for this backdrop to be something like this. Okay, that's all. I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.